Hello kids, welcome to my channel. I am here with this book. This is the book of Mr. M.L. Agarwal for class 11 CPSC board with code number 241. We were dealing with the exercise 6.4, question number 18 up to 7th. All the questions have already been done by me in my previous videos. You can see there. This is exercise number 6.4 of book M.L. Agarwal. For class 11th CBSE code 241. CBSE for code 241. Question number 18. Question number 18, part 1. If A, B, C, D are in GP, this is a chapter belongs to geometrical progressions. A, B, C, D are in GP, already given to us. If it is in these four terms A, B, C, D are in GP, then prove that A square plus B square and B square plus C square and C square plus D square, they are also in GP. This is to be proved. Okay, how we can do it? If A, B, C, D, they are in GP, the condition for this to be in GP is that B square is equal to AC is given to us, condition number 1. And C square is equal to BD, condition number 2. These are given to us. By using these two conditions, we have to prove that these A plus B square is the term, second term B square C square, third term C square plus D square, these will be in GP. It means we have to prove what we have to prove? That square of the middle term, it means B square plus C square whole square. This will be equal to A square plus B square into C square plus D square. This is to be proved. Okay. Now, left hand side of this term, this can be written as B to the power 4 plus C to the power 4 plus 2 times B square C square. Okay? This is the left hand side. We have to bring this right hand side equal to this. Now right hand side. This A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Let them multiply each other. We'll multiply each other, we'll get A square into C square plus A square into D square plus B square plus into C square plus B square into D square. Now we have to bring A, B to the power 4, C to the power 4. How can we bring it? We are given this condition. B square can be written AC. It means this AC is equal to square of AC. It means this B to the power 4. Okay. Now this is BD. B is given to us is equal to C square. BD is this. This can be written as C to the power 4. These two terms are already, we have got it. Now, what is the use of these two? It is to be converted in terms of 2b square c square. Somehow we have to prove this is equal to 2 times b square c square. B square c square is already there. This has to be equal to b square c square. Now, in place of this is b square c square already, we are having no change at all. In place of this, we can write c to the power 4. In place of this, we can write b to the power 4. This already is b square c square. This is a square d square. Now, a square d square. Here, calculations here. Suppose a square, now we are going to calculate this. A square and d square. This can be written as from here a is equal to b square by c. A is equal to b square by c. It means a square will be equal to b to the power 4 upon c square. Correct? Now, d square. D can be written as from here d. D is equal to c square by b. It means d square can be written as c to the power 4 upon b square. Okay? This is the value of a square and this is the value of d square from here. I will repeat it again because you have not understand this. Repeating it again. From here, a is equal to b square by c. It means a square can be written as b square, b to the power 4 upon c square. Similarly, d can be written here c square by b. It means d square can be written as c square, c to the power 4 upon b square. Now, product of these two, a square d square, it means a square d square will be equal to a square d square, this will be a square d square, this will be equal to b to the power 4 upon c square into c to the power 4 c to the power 4 upon b square. Isn't this? It means we'll get here b square and c square. A square d square simply can be written as b square c square. A is equal to b square by c, d is equal to c square by b. Squaring these two will add then the b to the power 4c to the power 4 upon b to the power square c square will get it. Then the value of a square d square can be written as simply b square into c square. This is equal to b to the power 4 plus 2 times b square c square plus c to the power 4, which is nothing but equal to b square plus c square whole square. That is right hand side. Hence proved. Special attention is to be done in order to finding the value of a is equal to from here b square by c and b is from here is equal to c square by b. Squaring these a square d square will get the value of a square d square as b square c square. And one b square c square were already there, so that they will be added to b square. These were very good questions. I think it will be very enjoyable for you. Thanks for watching this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Goodbye. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.